We just passed the Senegal-Guinea border. Mercedes is still with us. I even put something for good luck, hopefully. If it's not good luck, I'm gonna torch that car. Hello sir, you have something for me? You have something for me?
Yes.
What do you have for me? Oh shit. Very rude person, very rude person. Everybody in Senegal wants something. When they get to your mirror, they say, you have present, present, present? Kudu, kudu? You give them something if you have, but you gotta be careful because if you give to one, you have to give to all. We're also in the middle of nowhere, just past the border. Vehicle is running fine. The fuel is really bad, so you can't drive very fast. Even right now, there's no roads. This is the official road, right here. We blew up a tire. We changed it this morning. But overall, I think we're very good. Only issue is that there's no air conditioning, and this temperature is just killing me. It's like 42 degrees right now in March. Just unbelievable. I can't wait to get back home to snowboard a little bit. Dust everywhere. Dust, dust, dust. Look at the vehicle is so dirty. You can't drive it without open windows. This is the back. Inside have everything else with dust, just red dust everywhere. That's life. Alright, continuing with our trip. We're somewhere in the savannah, and I'm not sure if we got the right road, but hopefully I think we got it. My phone is overheated. I put it in the fridge for a while. And here, really nice dirt roads. We have some GPS coordinates. These are the ones that we're following. Hopefully we don't break the cars and we're able to get to some kind of road later on. But it is fun, it is fun. I have a really strange feeling that we're not in the touring track route, but I think we're in the off-road route. So right now, if we pass this whole route, this Mercedes is gonna prove itself worthy. Live from Guinea. We are still in the rally. Vehicles are working perfectly. Today we crossed the Senegal and Guinean border, and right now we're completely in Guinea. The roads are completely different from Senegal. Actually, there are no roads at all. I haven't seen pavement probably the last 200 kilometers. I'm not sure. And it's really bumpy, 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 jumping all over the place. And what happened is we just stopped to check some stuff, and when we stopped, this happened. Spare tire went unhooked and directly went on the front windshield. But windshield is okay, it's not broken. I think I overloaded the shocks a little bit. They're not working exactly like in the morning. But the engine is running, as you can hear. So I think we have another 1,000 kilometers to finish this race. And I hope that this motherfucker is gonna finish the race. Otherwise, I'm gonna burn his ass. Oh, no, 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 no. service station trying to do some repairs. We had yesterday a really nice off-road drive, but we have a lot of issues with this off-road drive. Right now we don't have a fuel tank, we don't have diesel. The only way we have diesel is through this, which is for the windshield wipers. We use this as a tank and we put diesel fuel inside so that basically we can start the car and use it. Every 30 kilometers we have to stop for refill. The carnage that we did on the vehicle yesterday was so bad. Underneath I have a skid plate. This skid plate, as you see, it had to be on this side here, and it's bent so badly that it's pressing all the air tubes. Oh shit. All the air tubes, everything. Right now I have to disassemble this, hit it a little bit, bash it with a hammer so I can get it up to place, and I think we're ready to go. Otherwise it's just sticking out and it's just crazy. Now this is the thing we're gonna do so that we can continue in Guinea, and after that, when we finish, we're traveling and hopefully we have one more day in Guinea and then go to Sierra Leone. Колко удобно. Проверяваш маслото на колата и се зареждаш гориво. So, 2:30 a.m. in the morning, we are driving somewhere. We are so tired. The roads are just terrible. We are driving all day. Right now we're driving in the nighttime and traffic is crazy. All kinds of trucks all over the place. I almost smashed one truck. He smashed me. I had to get out of the road so that I can avoid a collision. Now visibility is really poor. We're driving slow, probably like 50, 60 kilometers per hour. And we're left with 26 kilometers to the final destination. We found it, finally. Looks pretty nice, pretty neat.
If you want to go to sleep, you go ahead, go to sleep. I'll